Good morning! And today is our first day here in New York! Kasi wala kaming masyadong plan for today. Basta, lalabas muna kami kasi kung irereklamo ko yung telephone nila. Kasi kagabi pa kami contact ng contact and hindi sila makontak. So, pupunta ako sa baba ngayon. Sasabihan ko sila na
why your phone is not working. Char.
And then after that, pupunta ako, mag-gym lang ako. Then mag-breakfast kami. And then, yeah, we're gonna go ahead for the day. I'll update you later. We are heading to the gym. Say hi, love. Good job. Yeah. Tapos na kami mag-gym, guys. Malis na kami doon kasi ang daming tao. Tapos ang liit lang ng gym nila. We're heading back to the room kasi magbe-breakfast na kami after. Ayan, ang liit lang ng pawis ko. Kasi ang daming tao sa gym. Their gym is small, right?
What number? 20?
Yes po. Hi guys, I just finished taking a shower. My favorite Medicube. Saan na ba yung toner ko? Ito yung serum na ginagamit ko. It's just the volume of the hair.
Next your hair.
Volume. Put more volume.
That's a spray. You don't make your hair straight. It's just to hold your hair.
You're making me look like the picture.
I'm using this for the final touch of my lips. What's that?
Better open or close?
You decide, guys. He asked if it's open or closed. And close.
It's not live.
It's not live. Open.
Okay.
Open, guys, right? Yes. They said yes. Outfit check. My boots.
Looks nice. Looks nice.
My Zara. It's Zara.
It's
This one, yeah. I bought this in Chicago.
oh.
Look at my, it's not a Labubu, but it's a Bunny Lulu. It's a rich Lulu. Ayan. This one is original handmade bunny fur. Ayan guys, my final look for today. We're going to the Statue of Liberty. See you there. Wow, look at that. We are back here in the hotel right now. Actually, yung buong pangyayari today, sasabihin ko sa inyo. So, di ba sabi ko kanina, pupunta kami sa Statue of Liberty, right? So, ngayon, papunta na kami dun sa Statue of Liberty. Sumakay kami ng taxi from our hotel. Yung hotel namin is malapit lang siya sa Times Square. So, very accessible. So, sumakay kami ng taxi. Then, after that, pagsakay namin ng taxi, sabi namin sa taxi, doon kami sa Statue of Liberty. Tapos, tinanong kami ng taxi driver. Sabi ng taxi driver na, do you have a ticket already? So, sabi namin, we don't have a ticket yet. Bibili kami doon sa booth pagdating namin. Which is, doon talaga plan namin bumili ng ticket ng Statue of Liberty. Kasi sinabi ng friend namin na pupunta kami doon sa Statue of Liberty. Tapos, doon sa place na yon, and then bibili kami ng ticket doon sa booth. Hindi doon sa mga tao na naglalako ng mga tickets. So, itong taxi driver, nagbagandang loob siya. Sinabi niya sa amin na, you can go in the Statue of Liberty for free. Sabi niya ganon. You can see, you can watch the Statue of Liberty for free. So, sinunod namin yung payo ng taxi driver kasi siya na nga yung nagbagandang loob sa amin, di ba? Na tinuruan niya kami how to get there for free. So, ngayon, instead na dalhin niya kami doon sa place na dapat bibili kami ng ticket, dinala niya kami doon sa dito niya kami dinala. Sabi niya sa amin, if anyone approaches you na bibili ng ticket, don't buy a ticket because it's totally free. It's for free. So, yun. Ang dami-daming mga scammer doon. Ang dami-daming mga tao na naglalako ng tickets. Ang dami-daming tao na magbibenta sa inyo. But, just ignore all of them. Pasok lang kayo. Tapos, pasok lang kayo doon basta sa pier. Pumasok lang kayo doon. After nyo pumasok, punta kayo sa second floor. So, may escalator. Doon kayo sa escalator. And then, doon sa second floor, maraming tao doon. Tapos, kung may makikita kayong pag may makita kayong security or pag makita kayong police, i-approach nyo kasi approachable naman sila. So, i-approach nyo sila, tanungin nyo if what time is the boat arrive. Tapos, mag-wait lang kayo doon kasi marami namang tao doon na naghihintay. So, maghintay kayo doon. After that, pag dumating na yung boat, pasok kayo doon sa boat and it shows there Staten Island boat ba yung nakalagay? Basta, pag nandun na kayo sa boat, so makikita nyo yung Statue of Liberty and the Manhattan Bridge. Is it the Manhattan Bridge? But it's not up close. Pero makikita nyo siya ng malinaw. Makikita nyo siya ng malinaw. But it's not up close. So, yun. Pero, it's free siya. So, nakakatawa kasi para kami pumunta ng Samal Island dun sa Davao ba? Para kami pumunta ng Samal Island. Sumakay kami ng ferry boat and then after that, pumunta kami ng Staten Island. After namin pumunta dun sa island, pagdating namin dun sa island, bumalik na naman kami sa Manhattan. So, para lang kaming nag-round trip lang talaga. Tapos, di ba round trip yung trippings namin today? As in, super round trip talaga yung trippings namin today guys. And then after that, but it's nice if you just wanna see the Statue of Liberty na hindi naman siya up close, pero if you just wanna witness and see the structure of the Statue of Liberty, it's totally fine kasi free talaga siya. You have to ride the boat and then hop off ka. Tapos pwede mo din pwede ka din mag-stroll sa Staten Island. Marami din silang mga attractions doon. But kami hindi na kami nag-stroll sa Staten Island. After pagkapunta namin doon, bumalik na kami agad sa Manhattan. And then, after that, yun, ang lamig-lamig. As in, di ba, nasa dagat kami dahil. So, sobrang lamig. As in, sobrang lamig. And muntik ko pa tong, ito si Banilulo ko, ito. Muntik ko pa tong, ma-thank you. Muntik pa tong mag-swim dun sa dagat. Kasi nahulog siya, tas ang lakas ng hangin. Imagine ha, tingnan nyo nga. Di ba, nakasabit na siyang ganyan. Tapos lumipad pa talaga siya. Oh my gosh, as in, sobrang hangin talaga kanina. And si Mashi Boy, hindi siya natuwa siya kasi nakita niya yung Statue of Liberty, na-appreciate naman niya, but he's not satisfied. So sabi niya, sa Sunday, kailangan namin talagang pumunta ng Statue of Liberty. Kasi hindi talaga siya na-satisfied. Gusto niya yung, tapos ito pa guys, di ba nag-video ako, ang katangahan ko, hindi ko pala siya kasi nga, ang lamig-lamig, as in, nanginginig yung kamay ko. Tapos nag-video ako sa kanya. Kasi gusto ko i-crop na lang ba yung picture. Binidyo ko siya. Nandun na ang Statue of Liberty. Sabi ko sa kanya, love, stand up. Kasi, i-video na kita. Hayop. Hindi ko talaga siya pag tagtingin ko, yung nakita ko kasi yung mga floor and everything. Walang picture niya. So, yun, it's not hindi siya na-on yung video. In short, wala siyang video. Right, love? You don't have a video there in Statue of Liberty? Because I did not turn on the play button. So, yun guys, wala siyang video. And then, yeah, kaya hindi siya na-satisfied. Kaya sabi niya, pupunta daw kami sa Sunday. So, abangan nyo kung makakapunta ba talaga kami doon sa Statue of Liberty o hindi. And yeah, for now, pupunta kami sa Times Square. Then, bibili kami ng pagkain. And then, after that, balik na naman kami dito. And that's it for today, guys. So, I'll update you later.
You need to go to Times Square and do like take your video. You do like this, like your jam and whatever. So you can play it. You can put
The music.
in the background.
And ito pa guys, nag-video ako. Hindi ko gamit tong DJI ko kasi I don't know what happened because of the color, ang white balance niya. As in, sobrang, ano siya, parang ka nang kinuha ni Lord. Yung pa-exit ka na sa world ba? Yung light niya ba yan? Parang ka nang kukunin ni Lord sa liwanag. As in, ang very, very bright talaga yung kulay niya. As in talaga. So, hindi ko nagamit yung DJI ko, yung ginamit ko yung phone ko. So, tsaka na naman yung mga kuha. Ay, nako. Every time I do something, there's always something.
You do to me, play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you, my heart's more than a tool?
We're having our dinner here at Empire Steakhouse. Tapos tingnan nyo, ang dami kong mga wine dito.
Send message after
These are my collections of wine. Charot.
Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things that you say?
Wow, thank you.
Yeah, we can put it in the corner. Take that place, please. Sorry, can I take this? Sorry, ladies. Now let's do the your man. Ready? It's good?
Bon appetit. Thank you. Bon appetit. Go ahead. Ayan. It's recording now. You good?
That's worth it. That's worth the wait.
I'm back again here in the room. Take two. Back here in the room. Take 3. Okay guys, I am here again in the room. And a lot of you are wondering why we are here in New York. Hindi ko pa pala nasabi sa inyo, bakit kami pumunta dito sa New York? So, bakit nga ba kami pumunta dito?
You'll find out.
Say it again. Why we're here in New York?
You will find out.
Yun guys, you will find out. So yun guys, you will find out tomorrow. You will find out tomorrow. Bakit nga ba kami pupunta dito sa New York? So yeah, I'm so excited and watch my next video because I'm gonna show there the reason why we went here. So for now guys, I'm gonna do my beauty rest and I'm so tired. Ang pagod na pagod yung katawang lupa ko. So, see you tomorrow on my next video. I'm gonna end up this video. And thank you again for watching. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye! Gracias!